The Queen's newest corgi puppy was bought through a popular pet website. A breeder has reportedly claimed. The dog was 12 weeks old when it was taken from breeder and gran of 6 Denise Thomas, it has been reported. Named Charlie or Charles due to the breed's royal connection, the pedigree pooch was taken away by a woman in a blacked-out chauffeur-driven Land Rover to Windsor Castle. Denise realized where the dog was headed when she Googled the woman's name and learned she worked for the royal household, The Sun reported. Previously the 60-year-old had only been told the dog was destined for Windsor. The pooch cost £2,650 and was bought on the Pets for Homes website. It is not clear if the Queen, whose son is also called Charles, will rename the dog. Denise's son, Craig Skyami, said Mutt was taken away on February 26, a week before news of the Queen's story surfaced. The 40-year-old said Charlie, who has a brother called George, is a playful dog who enjoys playing fetch. Over Christmas the now royal pooch caused a bit of havoc for his breeders however. He was chewing a few bits round the house and on the odd occasion I would end up with a soggy sock after standing in one of his wet patches, Craig said. But I'm sure he'll get great training at the castle. He added. The woman who collected him said she liked the name and that they might keep it. It is not clear where the Queen's other new corgi came from.